Alright, so what's up guys? Welcome back to our spearfishing channel. Today, we are coming to you guys with the next hot video. Today, we are going to do some spearfishing as you can see with on the beach side. Today we are at a different location. Show them a view, Javan. Water well calm. Look like it clean as well. I hope you don't deceive us like in the previous video. There's two boatmen out there, so one a set net and one a drop pot. And then you have one way over up on the deeper side. Well, two over up on the deeper side. Yeah. And it seems as if one they way down at the point there as well. So the boatman them out today, guys. Show no what go on. What are these, guys? See how them plentiful. A lot of them on the rocks. Call them sea egg. Yeah, man. A little pool there so as well. You pull up with here sea egg. All wilts are there as well, guys. See them there? A lot of wilts here, guys. A lot of wilts. I will see if I'll try to pick you up and show you guys what is a wilt or what we call wilt. Let us see. So this is what we call wilts, guys. Very nice. The guys will finish gears up now. I ain't in the water, so join us in the water. Just as I entered the water, I saw the source of fish. I decided that I was going to take a video clip of it, but it swam off before I could get close to it. We saw a lot of lobsters underneath this rock. I saw a huge one, but it was by itself. Then I saw 3 more. They lined up good, so I decided that I was going to take a shot at them to see if I could spear 3 of them one time. I did do so, but one escaped. It tore off. However, I was still thankful because I got 2 with one shot. This was a lovely start for the morning. Marcus made the second dive at the same rock. He was going to search for the big lobster. He did find it. He took a shot at it and speared it. Unfortunately, the spear got stuck and it tore off. After freeing the spear, he headed back for the surface. I was still there, sorting out the 2 I speared. He made a second dive. There was another lobster on the other side of the rock. He was successful with the shot. We got this lobster. At this time we had 3 lobsters, 3 lovely lobsters. After taking the two of my spear, I decided that I was going to make another drop to see if I see any more lobsters underneath the rock. When I got to the ocean floor, I saw the one Marcus spear. It was underneath the hole, flicking up and down. It was dying, so I gave it a second shot and head back for the surface. This lobster was the biggest of the four. This dive was for some grunts. I saw quite a few of them heading in and out of this rock. So I made a dive to lay on the ocean floor and wait for them. Just as I reached, I saw some of them heading in and out. I took a good aim at this one and fired a shot, and I speared it. This was a good holding shot. While taking up the spear, I saw a moonshine snapper, so the plan was to surface and make another dive. While making this dive, I saw the moonshine snapper heading in and out of the rock. I was 100% sure this fish wasn't going anywhere, so I just took my time, take a good aim at it, and I speared it. We don't normally spear them, but we have a friend that likes them, so whenever we see them, we spear them for him. This dive was for another moonshine snapper. It was a little smaller than the previous one, but it was of good size. These fish are normally tame, they are easy to spear. Sometimes they are there, just not moving. There was a lobster there as well. If you look closely, you will see it. But I wasn't interested in that lobster. That was a chicken lobster. A sleeper night was swimming around this stone. Seems as if it was feeding. So I took a dive. I also took a shot, but I only got a graze. That one escaped. It wasn't supposed to die today. I saw some grunts here, so I decided that I was going to sneak down on them. I did do so. Just as I reached the ocean floor, I saw one peeping. I took a shot at it and I speared this fish. This one was unlucky. I didn't want it to tear off because it was fighting, so I grabbed it to secure it and head for the surface. This was a lovely fish, guys. I made a dive on a sleeper night here. It was feeding, it saw me coming and started to swim away from me. It was two of them, but I give chase to the bigger one. It stopped underneath that rock and I took a quick shot and I speared this fish. This fish got a good shot, so I didn't have to grab it. This dive was for another sleeper night. I took a shot at this one and I speared it as well. I had to grab this one because I wasn't sure if it was a good shot and I didn't want it to tear off, so it's best I secure it. I was chasing a dog teeth snapper. It hid from me underneath the cave. When I look, I saw this small grey snapper coming out, so I just speared it. I then called Marcus to tell him what just happened. This dive was to look for the grey snapper. This was the last place I saw it. I didn't see it, so I just turned back and left from underneath the cave. When I turned back, I saw Marcus coming. He said he normally see grunts here, so he was going to look for grunts underneath the cave.
Look at this dark cave, guys. Marcus got it right, guys, say we shoot grunt. Look how we can't see him.
I just heard Marcus spear fire, so I thought he was coming out with a grunt, but I was surprised it wasn't a grunt. It was a snapper.
What? Guys, just see that? We'll go for a grunt and come out with a snapper.
This is Marcus footage of him spearing the snapper. Guys, do you see how dark the cave is? Would you guys go underneath it? You have to hold your breath. Guys, please remember to like up the video, share, subscribe and also comment. Let us know what you're thinking. This is where I first saw the snapper, so I turned my attention to it. I had to wait for it for quite some time. You see how long I had to wait for it? Look at this now, guys. Yes, that's when I speared it. I can see Jevan clearly from underneath the cave, but he couldn't see me. This was a lovely dog teeth snapper, but it wasn't the one that Jevan saw. I saw the sleeper night at the front of the cave, so I started to pursue it. I took a shot at it and I speared it, but this one tore off, so I lost that fish. While I was doing so, Marcus went underneath the cave again. He came out with another snapper again. This was a lovely one.
Yes, guys, he went again, and he came out with another snapper. So when we got that, we lost it on.
This is Marcus footage of him spearing the last snapper. This one was dark though. Guys, please remember to like up the video and leave a comment. We like to read your comments, guys. Let us know if you will do this. I want to know who is brave enough to go underneath this cave.
Guys, guess who we saw? Mikey. Yeah, Marcus alone come and we meet up with Mikey. Yeah.
I saw a huge grunt here. It was playing hide and seek with me. So I hid behind this rock and waited for it to come from underneath the rock that it was under. I waited for a little while. I didn't see it come out back. So I surfaced and gave it a little time to let it think that I was gone. I made another dive. I used the same strategy. I hid from it behind this rock. This time I was planning to take a long shot at it because it wasn't giving any chance. I waited for a couple seconds, then I saw it. I took the shot. I speared it. It got a good shot, guys. This fish couldn't escape. So I reaped the benefits of all my hard work. This was a lovely one, guys. This was the biggest one we speared since morning. This sleeper night was playing games with me, so I was just playing along. It swam away from me. I followed it underneath the water. I also took a shot at it, but I missed. Jevan made a dive as well to search for it, but he didn't see it. I saw a small dark teeth snapper here. This was the same place I just speared the grunt. I took a shot at it and I speared it. Spearing the grunt, I circled the area for some time. Then I came back to this rock and I saw the snapper underneath it, so I speared it. So I speared 2 fish from this same rock. A sleeper night was hiding from me underneath this rock. So I made a dive to search for it. I looked around for a little. I didn't see it. So I decided that I was going to surface. While doing so, I saw this grunt swimming towards me. I took a shot at it. I speared it, but it tore off. So that grunt escaped. I saw another grunt here. I took a shot at it and I speared it, but it wasn't a holding shot, so it tore off. So we lost that grunt. I saw some thick-lipped grunts in this stone. They were swimming up and down. They weren't giving any good chances. However, I took a shot to see if I was lucky. I wasn't lucky. I missed that shot. So I decided to surface and try again to see if I could get a better chance next time. I made a dive at a different angle and I saw a few more. Some of them was smaller. I was waiting for the bigger one. I didn't get any chance here, so I surfaced and decided that I was going to try again. This time I got a better chance and I did make use of the opportunity. This cliff was dark, So you're not going to see when I speared it, but I did spear it. I just fired the shot. Guys, look where I had to go to spear this one. Are you seeing this, guys? I had to go way up in the rock corner. This was a dangerous dive. But thank God I made it out. This was a lovely grunt. This was the biggest fish I speared since morning. Yes guys, so this is me stringing up my fish. It was a lovely morning. I saw a snake here, so I made a dive to record it. Look after the tip of the spear and you'll see it, guys. It's hard to spot. I started to touch it with the spear so it could move, that you guys can see it. Two parrots was here hiding from me. They went underneath this rock. While taking the aim on one swam away, so I quickly took a shot at the next one and I speared it. This was a lovely parrot, guys. This dive was for some pink parrot. I saw quite a few of them there swimming around. Before I could reach, they swam off. So I started to look around me. And I saw this big blue pink. I started to focus on spearing it, but it swam away from me as well. I tried to chase it under the water. It escaped, but it showed me something else. Just as I was about to surface, I saw this lionfish, and I turned back and I speared it. So this was halfway of the journey. After this dive, I couldn't make any more dive. I had cold in my head, so whenever I dive, my head started to hurt. This was the catch at the moment.
Yes guys, that's the catch so far.
I saw a lot of parrots here, so I made a dive on them. They were of similar size, so the first one that came close, I took that one. It was a lovely one. Our main focus now was to reach land, because Jevan couldn't make any dive due to the cold. And we already have a good catch. We had enough for dinner. While in the shallow, I speared these two doctor fish. Someone previously asked me for some. Jevan speared this long jaw. This was in the shallow. He did it to unset his gun. I was recording the behavior of this long jaw. These are very dangerous fish. I am more afraid of this fish than a barracuda. Look at this, guys. They are very aggressive. They will bite you if you are not careful. Look at this. Did you see that, guys? Anyway, a great adventure has come to an end. So join us back on land now, guys. Alright guys, so we just come in. Get a lovely catch today. Get a nice thick lip grunt. A nice dog teeth snapper. A nice grey snapper. And so a nice small fish. Yes guys, we're going good. Yeah.
4 lobster.
Yeah. 4 lovely lobster. Yeah man. Could I get more fish too, you know, guys, but the current change up away. So halfway in our journey, the current change. And the water never so clean. So we did just swim come down. And we did kind of feel sick. Me have cold in my head, so I cannot dive. So we just swim come down. Either way, we're thankful for the catch. If we give God thanks, yes. So thanks for watching, guys, and please remember to like, share and subscribe. Yesterday we come in from the left. Today we came in from the right. Alright. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please remember